Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing 3 easy Oreo cakes recipe. It has simple ingredients and no oven required. So let's get started. First one, Oreo almond cocoa cake made in microwave. In a microwave safe container, 4 tablespoons of almond powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar of your choice, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and mix well. Add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon of oil. Then mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. Top with crushed Oreo. Then place in the microwave 500 watt for 4 minutes. Then you can easily have a healthy and moist chocolate cake with just few ingredients. Please be careful when removing from the microwave, as the container will be hot. It's easy, you just mix all the ingredients together and put in the microwave, so it takes only less than 10 minutes to make. Second one is Oreo cocoa cheesecake made in microwave. This is also easy recipe. 200 grams of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sugar of your choice. Mix until well combined. Add 1 egg. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and mix until well combined. Top with crushed Oreo. Place in the microwave 500 watt for 4 minutes. The container will be hot. Please be careful when removing from the microwave. Let them cool down and put in the refrigerator before eating. And lastly, Oreo yogurt ice cake. In a silicone container, 200 grams of Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of sugar of your choice. Mix well until well combined. Add crushed Oreo. Then mix. Make smooth on top and put in the freezer for about 5 hours. When you eat it, easily pull out from the silicone container and cut it. I use pound cake silicone mold, but you can also use silicone ice cubes mold or popsicle mold as well. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!